everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys and also emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or even linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. I unexpectedly hopped on the Vlogmas train. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to do that this year, but I had a spurt of inspiration to create some videos, so I don't have a definite schedule, but you can expect anywhere from 1 to 3 videos from me until the end of the year.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Vlogmas on my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cece. This is my fitness channel where I hope to inspire you to live your most healthy, authentic life. So you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day 6 or day 7, I believe. Yeah, today I have a busy-ish day. It is one of my off days from work. I have a dentist appointment in half an hour. I have to do some Christmas shopping afterwards. So I'm going to kind of take you guys with me, and then also later me and my sister are going to build a gingerbread house, which is super fun. I haven't done that since I was a kid, so I'm excited to share that with you guys. But I only have 10 minutes and I want to show you guys little things that I'm putting together before I go to the dentist. I don't like to eat before the dentist because I'm getting a cleaning, so it seems counterproductive to dirty up my teeth before the dentist. So I'm going to put something together really quickly, so afterwards I have something to eat, something to drink, and I don't have to stop back home for some food or get food out before I run my errands. So let's go. I'm going to be bringing some of this green tea with me. I put it in my new mug, so some warm water. I'm going to be bringing a mini bagel. I'm about to toast it really quick. I definitely prefer mini bagels or even bagel things to regular bagels. I just find regular bagels so overwhelming to eat. Whipped cream cheese. Regular cream cheese is fine, but the whip just spreads so easily and it's like light and fluffy. A bit of this everything bagel seasoning. This is the Lox Trio from Costco. It's our favorite. So it's got pepper, traditional, and dill. 4 pieces, so that's 1 piece of original, like stuff like this. You could add like onion. You guys have seen people like onion and stuff like that, but just a little something to have. I feel like nothing makes me feel more adult than like going to the dentist. Probably because I don't like going to the dentist, but I go obviously because I have to. So I'm always like so proud of myself for going and getting it done. And I'm sitting in the parking lot right now and I'm going to eat my bagel because I'm so hungry. It's so good. Too bad for. That was utterly delectable. Got my warm tea. I don't think I mentioned it, but I did bring one of these snack packs. You guys, these are so superb. I know Sorrento sells them, but they're a little bit more expensive than the ones that I buy. But this one has sharp cheddar, dried cranberries, and salt roasted cashews. It's just like the perfect little thing to snack. And I think that having something that's pre-portioned already for you that you can I literally just grabbed it and threw it in my purse. It's just really nice to grab and go. And I always recommend that you have something at home, whether you're fixing it, like I made that bagel that you could throw together quickly, or I even meal prep some breakfast sandwiches. I think that we need to focus more on like fitting things into our life. You know what I'm saying? So like, I know that we're grab and go snacky people, so it's like, okay, I need to find something that's going to satiate our need for grabbing and going with snack. If you're a snacky person, then you just need to make sure you have snacks on hand that are healthy and easily viable. And if that means spending 5, 10, 15 minutes a week prepping snacks or bagging snacks, we need to do that to lead a healthy lifestyle, especially going into holidays. You guys, I know a lot of people struggle with that. You just need to be prepared and think ahead, and that helps me so much. I am back from the stores, gearing up to go to the gym. I did purchase more pre-workout. This is my favorite one, you guys. It was a buy one get one free, and plus I got an additional 10% off for picking it up in store, so I got it for a great price, and now I'm stocked up for a while. One good thing is like the gym is so close that I can drink this real quick at home and then still won't be tingly by the time I get to the gym. So alrighty gang, so for today's workout I'm doing a pull day workout with the Tone Sculpt app. You guys already know I love this app. It's definitely my favorite workout app.
getting started with a good warm-up. You guys know, get that blood pumping, get that blood moving before starting my working sets. And then I'm moving straight into some bent over rows, you guys. This is definitely one of my favorite exercises. I love anything that works out my back. I'll follow this up with a superset. We have some Aussie pull-ups, and then I ended up just using the 25 pound plates for my rows, you guys. I haven't hit an arm day in a while, it feels like, because my arms have been tired from stocking and doing stuff at work. So it felt really good to hit upper body today, even if I didn't go as heavy. This exercise is called a straight arm pull down, you guys. I absolutely adore this exercise. I don't feel like it's talked about enough. I don't see enough people doing it, but I absolutely love it, and it's one of my favorites. And then I just finished off the workout with some cable rows and superset of that with some bent over flies, which I used the 5 pound weights that were close by.
Thumb down that check, no drip this. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex. Thumb down that check.
Back from the gym, and I'm gonna make a quick shake. I'm literally just gonna do some strawberries, some yogurt, and some of the collagen peptide. Also, I want to share these with you guys. So these are cotton candy grapes. They actually taste like cotton candy. I know people are like, oh, this tastes like this tastes like this. No, these taste like cotton candy. It's the most bizarre thing ever, but if you have a sweet tooth, I definitely recommend that you grab them for a snack. They are pretty hard to find, but if you do find them, definitely stock up. So my muscles were tired today, which is okay. I didn't go as heavy. I even skipped like I think 1 or 2 exercises, which happens. And then I'm going to show you guys the ramen I'm going to make. I want to show you guys a meal that I enjoy and that isn't healthy pretty much at all. Here she goes. Why don't you just take the thing to your room?
Because I'm about to leave, and if I take them to my room, I'll finish the whole thing. And
they're good. They're like that. Responsible. That's why I got them, though. They're such a good snack. If you have a sweet tooth, seriously, try them out. Yeah, so I want to show you guys an unhealthy meal that I have that I enjoy. But let me make the shake first, and of course I'll walk you through what I'm going to put in my ramen. Beef is my favorite flavor, and then I have some garlic chopped up, some onion. I'm going to throw in some wontons as well, and then I have a whole bunch of sauces and seasonings that I will be throwing in, you guys. Everything is about seasoning to me and flavor, so I always try to include that even when I'm cooking something simple like ramen. So this just kind of elevates it, makes it taste really good, but also it's relatively simple. So a little bit of this just so nothing sticks. A drizzle, and then our onion. Don't put your garlic in, but you want to wait at least, I'd say 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Let your onions cook a little bit because garlic burns and you don't want that to happen. So I'd say at this point it's safe to start adding some seasoning, and you're gonna kind of cook it all together, you guys. I'm going with a little pepper right now, some onion powder, and also some garlic powder, and then I'm gonna add the garlic in. First build. Add in our garlic. You can smell the aroma of everything. Soy sauce, a good amount, you guys. You can even add bouillon in, but I'm gonna do some soy sauce, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add in some sriracha. A good amount, you guys, depending on how spicy you like it. We're gonna give this a good stir. Let this cook for a moment. See, it's still bubbling, so I actually heated up some water, and you're gonna put this in. Ready, gang. So it hasn't come to a boil yet, but I thought it makes more sense just to add in a couple of other seasonings now, or oil. So this is sesame seed oil. If you guys have never heard of this, once you smell it, it'll just make you think of like Asian food. It's in a lot of Asian dishes. And the same with rice vinegar. This is very, very common in Asian dishes as well. Literally add a splash of both, nothing excessive, but just enough to add a little flavor to the profile. Boil. I just realized that my mom bought some fish sauce, so I'm gonna... Okay, so it's boiling pretty vigorously. I'd say let it boil for a moment or two just to kind of like reduce it and to also just continue to build flavors. At this point, I'm gonna add in a little cilantro. Then I'm also gonna go ahead and add in my noodles. And then also our dumplings. I did about 7 dumplings, you guys. So those are gonna cook via boil, and honestly, this looks so good. Just like this. Obviously the noodles need to cook, but it looks really, really nice. So this is what it looks like, you guys. I still have my dumplings in there, but I like to add the sauce packet now versus in the water. I do love making my food look nice. In my head, it makes it taste better. Then just a little cilantro for a fresh bite. This is how we ramen. The dumplings, you can't go wrong with it, you guys. And it makes it way more filling as well. First full meal of the day hits a little different. I'm not even cooking dinner tonight, which is exciting, but hey gang, hey, look what we about to do. Our gingerbread house. Would you mind showing the cover whenever you get a second? So it actually comes with the lines, which is nice. So we're gonna go for something original, maybe not as gingerbready, but it has this little house with the lines. It has all the little gumdrops and stuff and the icing. So
it smells nice. I wish we could eat it.
Yeah, it has a calorie count on it.
I don't know, you could eat these. Serving size suggested. This tells me we can eat this.
can you eat this? Because this smells like you can eat it. It's got the nutrition part, so you can eat this. Yeah. I feel like you can eat it. What do you think? Why would they put the
I'd rather
nutrition?
you make some.
But it came on top of this, so this is kind of like a layout, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Or like a, what's it called when you go to a house, like a, and you see this online? Floor plan. Yeah, this is like a floor plan.
I think it's not going to be perfect.
Oh.
That joint too big. They lied to us.
Wait, is this the roof? This is the roof.
Oh. Well, that makes sense. Alright. Let's try this one more time.
It's okay, we can just put like gumdrops or something on this.
This is cute.
This is coming together. Make sure your side is staying okay. It is. Yeah, we should pull it actually just a little forward so we have a little lip there. That would be cute.
A little overhang.
A little overhang.
For the rain.
Yeah, girl.
Okay.
For the gutters. Whoa, damn.
This is the garage.
I'm so weak, bro.
We got a garage on the crib.
I don't know how it just fell and it won't go back in there either.
Did it go in? Oh, look at this.
It's boule though.
I feel like I feel like they make it difficult on purpose.
It's kind of a little bit too different.
Oh my.
Take it off.
Look at this.
Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, we did it.
Bruh.
Yeah.
I think it's the effort that counts, okay?
It is. But damn.
It's bootleg. You want to hold it up for a second, see if I can fix it? Okay, let's give it a go. Oh my,
God. What the heck?
Wait, did it say let it dry in between? Because
No.
this whole jump went boop, boop, boop. Erect walls. That's what it said.
Honestly, y'all, we had so much fun with the gingerbread house. It didn't stay together very well, but overall we laughed so much and we had so much fun doing it.
I tried to do
icicle.
Oh, look at the slant, bruh. The back of the house. Oh shoot, maybe I should put this down. It's cute. The side roof. You know what else is really cute? Oh my gosh.
Woo! That garage door is broken.
The garage.
That garage door needs some service.
This is cute. It's the effort that counts.
Absolutely. Great job.
Let me eat these. Is it okay? You cool if I eat these?
Let me get one. Oh, I like. Which one's your favorite? Them light ones? They taste like pineapple. Give me that one. This one here.
I don't remember what you like. I don't know.
These are good.
This is our pepper mix. Some peppers. This smells nice. Just turkey meat. I like it.
You like it?
It's all good.
Alright, she added in corn. And she's gonna add in some rice too.
So we're adding in some chocolate cheese as well.
And we're gonna let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And then on that last 2-3 minutes, we're gonna top them with some cheese.
Okay. If you want, you can cook them a bit longer. So I don't mind my peppers being undercooked. I actually prefer bell peppers raw versus
Like
soft.
softly cooked.
So I kind of want to show you this. This is my lunch prep for tomorrow. I work at 5 a.m. tomorrow, so I have some cotton candy grapes. I have a sub here with some cheese and some turkey, which I will add some tomato to in the morning or even right before I eat it, so I want to bring that with me. So in addition to that, I have a baggie full of these veggie chips. I love these. They're so good. I'm also going to bring a pack of trail mix, and that should be enough food. And then I'm also going to bring 2 bags of tea. You guys know me, all about being prepared. So this is set. I'm just going to throw this in the fridge, and I'll be ready to grab and go in the morning. She got a blueberry muffin. Ooh, look at that. From Subbies. And then I got my favorite. Check it out. Pumpkin loaf.
And I did have one more though.
It's a blueberry muffin. Pumpkin loaf is so cakey and dense, and it's honestly everything.
They said, Saint Nick, what you gotta been that bad? I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.